Hey guys, I got a 2018 Cadillac XTS, I believe. I'm going to take off the front door panels. This is a super fast video because the customer's waiting. So I just wanted to show you like where the screws are and how to get the panel off. You'll have to figure out how to take the handle off because I don't have time to show you all that stuff. But show you where the screws are, which is the main part. So let me bring you in real quick. So first of all, there's a little cover here. Take a little screwdriver right here on the side, pry it, and then there's a 7mm bolt that comes out. That's right there. Okay, that's an easy one. One's a little bit tougher is this panel down here, but it's not very hard. It goes like this. Okay, you want to start on the side out here. Take like a little pry tool, plastic tool, kind of get it in there. And then what you want to do is take like some kind of door panel tool and then pop the clips. If you can line up the door panel tool right on here and push, it'll pop right off. And then just kind of slide over, take your little plastic tool up to there, like a wedge, and then get the next one and then pop. So basically you're going to be going pop, pop, pop. And when you start to get over to the edge over here, just kind of work your way, get this clip, and then there's one more right at the end. You got this one, and then you got one right there at the end, right there. There's a little guide there, so just kind of try to get your door panel tool, and then just kind of pull the panel towards you, and then get that tool in there and pry it. Okay? Once you got those out of there, there's 3 screws. Actually, I'm sorry, there's 2 screws. There's one up on top, and then there's one in here, and then there's one way down there, and they're both 7mm screws. Okay? Now, the next step would be just get the bottom of the panel. Either take a door panel tool and just start pulling slowly, or use your door panel tool and pry where the clips are at. Get all the clips loosed all the way around. Once you got those clips loosed all the way around, then what we're going to do is you have the panel completely loose on the bottom. Okay? Then we're going to lift the panel up, and then the rubber piece is going to come on here. So what you want to do is hold that rubber piece intact as you're pulling it out. Don't let it fall, because what happens is that rubber piece sits in there like so, right? The clips actually hook onto here, but they also hook on to here. They hook on upwards. They don't clip in. This is a different type of clip, okay? Show you what I'm talking about. So this clip here actually mounts onto the metal frame, and then the rubber piece just sits on top, but it goes in to a little hole on the back of the panel here. If I can show you what I'm talking about. So under here, let me see if I could get a light real quick in a second. So under there, God, it's very hard to get a light there. You see that riveted plastic piece right there, which is right there. See that piece right there? This piece right here. So underneath there's an opening under here. That's where the clip goes in. So this panel actually has to sit on top of the clip, like that. So the rubber piece would go here, and then the panel would sit onto there. That's the hardest part about it, putting it back together. And I wish I had time to go in on how to take the handle off and unplug it, but you might be able. It might be pretty self-explanatory. I just really pressed for time on this. Sorry guys, but hopefully this will help you a little bit. It's a 2018 Cadillac XTS.